Your pain and peripheral neuropathy can be treated with light and with no side effects thanks to anodyne infrared therapy system from Dr. Nil. And Dr. Nil from Nil Chiropractic joins us here to tell us more about, I love it when you come in here because my hand gets warm and comfortable and it's doing something at a cellular level, right?
That's right. This machine is actually emitting monochromatic infrared light, providing an effective treatment for pain, circulation issues, and muscle spasm caused by a variety of factors, including diabetes, vascular disease, chemotherapy, and acute injury.
Yeah, so there we see it on my hand, and there we see the whole system, because it's really meant, obviously, for, we're putting it on my hand because it's just easy to do right here in the studio.
Yeah.
But, I mean, you're treating what to what?
It's mostly, I treat a lot of patients with diabetic neuropathy. I put it on their feet, and it helps increase circulation. The diabetes actually causes a constriction of the blood vessels, which therefore doesn't allow the blood circulation to the area, and the nerve endings die off. So we use it a lot for diabetic neuropathy, but we can also use it for injuries and other things like that. So what it's doing is releasing the molecule from the red blood cells, which is called nitric oxide, and that increases the dilation of the blood vessels.
We're just looking there at an infrared camera. You can see when it goes purple, then that's the light that would normally not be visible to the human eye, but it's picking it up on the camera. And as you see that, it just kind of creates this warming sensation here and promotes the body to heal itself, right?
That's right, from the molecular level. So you're going to get the heat from the blood, from the light bulbs themselves are actually going to cause circulation from the outside, but you also get it from the inside out as well from the light. Now, like I said, it's outside of the visual spectrum, so it's 890 nanometers. If you don't have a infrared therapy that does anything besides 890 nanometers, you're not getting the full effect of causing that release of the nitric oxide, which is very important.
Yeah, so I mean, that's comparing this treatment to other light therapies that people may hear about.
Right.
Those aren't going to do you the same amount of good.
Not like this. This is actually, this system was actually, the technology was actually developed by NASA, and it's been used for different studies and the Navy SEALs and other government entities, and then we use this technology in the private sector now. So
people feel better with this pretty quickly, right?
Yes, you feel some effects. Usually after 30 minutes of use, you'll notice some effects right away. Our treatment program's about 12 visits, 3 times a week for a month. And that gets the best effect you can, along with exercises afterwards.
Any particular success story you want to share? Because I know you guys have a ton of them.
Yes, I had a patient actually had a lot of problems with wounds, and he came in and got the treatment, and it actually just changed his life, and was probably the best success story I ever had, because it wasn't just the poor circulation and the neuropathy he was experiencing, but he actually had a lot of wounds caused from that, blistering and whatnot, and it actually helped reverse all of that. So
again, it can promotes healing, it promotes better circulation.
Exactly.
I mean, there's just all sorts of good things with this, and it feels good, to be honest. Again, like I tell you, I wanted to just kind of work this on my shoulder and lower back and things like that.
Yeah, you can put it anywhere too. You don't just have to use it on the hands and feet. We use it for a lot of different sports injuries and different extremities.
So if people want to set up an appointment, what's the best way to do that?
Best way to do it is reach me at 260-459-2205 or find me at my website, nilchiropractic.com.
There you go. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Nil Chiropractic at 459-2205 or nilchiropractic.com. If you'd like more information, we'll put all that up here on the screen. We'll also put it on our website as well. And you can find out more about the anodyne light therapy at Nil Chiropractic. We'll be right back on Insight.